Hi, today in front of me OPPO A1 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So open first the settings, down tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see the silent mode switcher. Just to activate this option or to turn it off, you should use this switcher. When the silent mode is activated, you could turn it off just by unmuting ringtone volume panel. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel, the notification panel shortcuts, and find somewhere here silent mode. So I can click on this icon to activate silent mode or to turn it off by this way. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.